Best AI tools to enhance your footage. Hey there, creators! Wondershare just released Filmora 14 with some awesome new features for all us creative folks. Today, we'll discover some of the best AI tools to enhance your footage in Filmora 14, so make sure to keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Filmora offers 20+ AI features, some of which could help you enhance your footage. Let's find out what those features and tools are. AI Video Enhancer. We all desire crisp and clear videos, but sometimes technical issues lead to blurry and noisy footage. However, with the AI Video Enhancer, you can transform a blurry mess into a professional-looking video with just a single click. Filmora's AI utilizes advanced algorithms to identify and automatically correct imperfections such as blurriness, excessive noise, and grain, and more, and it's very easy to get crisp and clear video in Filmora with the help of AI. Place your footage onto the timeline, then go to the AI tools, scroll down, and you'll find the AI Video Enhancer. Click on Generate and relax. Within a few minutes, AI will replace your footage with the enhanced version. AI Music Generator. We all want a good piece of music in our video, but finding the right one is not that easy. But now generating music is at your fingertips. With Filmora AI Music Generator, you can generate music based on mood, theme, and genre. The number one problem that Filmora's AI Music Generator aims to solve is the royalty-free issue that comes when it's time to find music for your videos. Say goodbye to the expensive monthly or yearly subscription when you can generate music by yourself. Go to the Audio tab, and from the menu, click on AI Music Generator. Then select the mood, theme, and genre. Then from Settings, adjust the tempo, music duration, and counts. Then click on Generate and take a sip of tea, and you'll get your royalty-free music. AI Voice Enhancer. A crisp and clear voice is essential for enhancing your footage, and an AI Voice Enhancer is a valuable tool for achieving this. The AI automatically analyzes your audio, reducing background noise and improving vocal clarity with just one click. This intelligent process ensures that your voice becomes instantly clearer, richer, and more prominent in any environment. To use the AI Voice Enhancer, select your audio clip and navigate to the audio settings. Scroll down to find the AI Voice Enhancer option and enable it. Then adjust the voice clarity slider to fine-tune the clarity and beautification of your voice, and you're all set. Additionally, you can utilize the denoiser to eliminate wind noise and adjust other settings such as normal denoise, de-reverb, hum removal, and hiss removal. This way, you can easily make your voice crisp and clear with the AI Voice Enhancer. AI Video Object Removal. We all aspire to create the perfect video of ourselves, but capturing that moment in busy places can be challenging. Fortunately, Filmora has introduced a solution with its new AI Video Object Removal feature. This tool allows you to easily remove any unwanted object or subject from your video with just a few clicks. To get started, simply add your footage to the timeline. Then, select the object remover from the toolbar. Adjust the brush size as needed, and paint over the objects or subjects you want to remove. Once you're finished, click on the Remove button. The AI will analyze your footage and eliminate the selected object or subject from your video seamlessly. With these 4 AI tools, you can enhance your video. Update or download Filmora 14 from the link in the description and explore the world of possibilities. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.